Bulletproof Dog Training in Cincinnati, Ohio. Today I have with me our newest 15-day board and train. This is Mabel. Mabel, just say hi, big girl. Okay. Mabel is about a 6-month-old German Shepherd puppy. Dad brought her to us because she recently just graduated our puppy class training, but he had sent Mabel's older brother Chase through training, so he just wants to have both dogs on the same training page in the household. As you can tell, Mabel is definitely a crazy girl. She is very strong. She's a super big leash puller. When she's focused in on something, good luck getting her attention. So we're just gonna go ahead and jump in and see what Mabel does and doesn't know. Hey Mabel, hey, can you come? Can you come? Woohoo, over here. No? Okay, Mabel. Woohoo, hi. Woo. Mabel, can you sit? Sit. Whoa. Yep, right. Good girl.
Kristen.
I'm Matt. This is Mabel.
Our puppy. She just finished the 15-day training with Kenzie. We put our other German, Chase, through the same training years prior, and we are so pleased. The training has become life-saving for us as dog and pet owners.
And she's excited to see us. She's doing great. We just did follow-up training with Kenzie and kind of the debrief of everything and helped us make the transition. We're excited to have her home.